Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video in React Native with Typescript, we learned that how we can pass properties or children property to the functional component in React Native with Typescript. Now in this video we are going to learn that how we can do the same thing in a class component. If you like class component, so you can do same thing there also. But for that we need to create a class component. So here I create class component. So I say class props dot tsx. So here I will use class component for the same. So output is here. You see this output is coming here. Here I want to pass the class component. For creating a class component, I say RNCE. So this is a class component is coming here. In this class component, I save this. This class component I use here after just the functional component which we were using. So here I say class component like this. I save this, and you see that after this class props I have, and you see class props is displaying here from this component. So again it's a class component and I want to pass some property. Here I pass again message here. So I say this is message by class component. Okay, I save this. So it's showing a error. You see error is coming, and I pass here number variable also, count equal to 20 like this. Save this. So it's generating an error. Why? Because we do not have this. So I want to use it. I say this dot props dot message. I want to use it. Try to check it is coming or not. I save this. You see message by class component is coming, but it's showing an error. Again I say that if I say this dot props dot count, it will work or not. You will see that it will also work, but it's showing an error. To remove this error, what we have to do, again I have to check here type. I have to create a type. So for that I say type, and I say type and I give the name. So I say props type here, and I pass here that message of string type we have and count of number type we have. So I save this, and I pass here in a component. Remember that first here we can pass two component here. First is the props. So I say props type, and second is the state type. If you are taking a state variable, so I take here state type, for example. So I create one more type here. I say state type. If you want to take a state variable, so here we can mention the type. Suppose I say in a state variable I will take counter, and that counter would be of number type. So I pass here state and I pass here props type. You remember that the message is error is gone. You see this error is gone. Why? Because we have mentioned here that we are going to use a property that data type is first is message, second is count. We have assigned here. For state also we have mentioned, but we did not create this state variable. So that state variable we can create. We say state equal to, and I say count of this state is 0 right now, like this way. I save this. So state variable is there. I can use this state variable also. I say text here, and I give here that this dot state dot count, and I save this. So we have 0 also. So if I say 100, save this. So this state variable will display as 100. So this count is from the property and this count is from the state variable. So we have mentioned here, and suppose I pass some children element here. So suppose I do this. I want to close this like this way, and under this I want to pass same text or some component information like this way. I say this is children in class component. Save this. So if I do this, you see again we have a error, and if I want to use this, so I can use it also. I say that this dot props dot children, but it's showing a error, but the property is coming, it's working, because we are using the React Native 0.7 1.1 version, in which we are not strictly following the rule of TypeScript. So it's running, but it's showing an error. Maybe in future version it can strictly follow the rule of TypeScript. So here we have to mention that this children is going to be used. So I say that children property is there, that is of JSX dot element type. Remember that we have to tell that it is an element which we are passing. So this error is gone. Again, if you don't want to this property, you can make it comment. You can do one thing here. You see props with children, you can use this object, and here you can pass this like this way and save this. Both are similar. So props with children you can use as we used in last video also in functional component, or you can mention explicitly here like this. Both are working and both are okay. We do not have any problem in this. So like this, you see this error is gone. Children is coming, count is coming, state is coming. So we can pass these property here like this way in React Native with TypeScript. So we have learned the functional component, how we can pass property to functional component in last video. In this video, we learn how we can pass the same property and children to the class component in React Native with TypeScript. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.